of crazies. What you guys doing? They're always all over Pepper. Like that. I mean, if he hated it, he could retaliate. Sometimes he'll be like, back off to Hulk, because Hulk's out. His name was appropriate. He was already named when I adopted him, but as a comic book fan, I'm like, oh, Hulk? Cool. I like Hulk. My friend adopted a Chihuahua, and apparently there was other Chihuahuas, and they're all X-Men names. He got Magneto. He's a cute little Chihuahua. But yeah, I thought that was funny. And this is Winnie's entrance. I guess I should close this gate. Don't know why it's open. Not like it really closes. High security here.